Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the CB Design Studios. My name is Clint, and today I am going to show you the part 2 that you've been waiting for. Okay, so you walk into your closet, sensor's up there. Let's say I want to get that pen. Hold on, let me get. Ah! No, sorry. So the closet is officially done after weeks of preparing the bid for my client. As you can see here in the back of me is the custom closet that my client asked for. So this is something that I'm gonna show you right here. So one thing I'm gonna show you now that the closet's complete, when I say about the motion sensor, this is what I'm talking about. Turns on automatically just by grabbing it. Simple as that. You have a sensor here on the bottom shelf right here for all your shoes. Then you also have a sensor here from the top. Okay, you have a sensor here on the top and then a sensor on the bottom with the nice elegant touch of nice shelvings to put all your pants, 2 shelves for your shoes, and in the bottom row for your boxes. Great thing about this part, the great thing about this piece right here is this is detachable. So you can actually remove this shelving off just if you don't want the shoes here no more. You can take these out. You can even put your bigger luggage here. Done deal. That's it. After months and months of preparation, the closet that I have designed for my client is officially done. And I'm going to be moving forward to the next project, and my client signed off the contract of this room. So I'm excited for this. He officially signed off the contract for the whole entire room. So it's not just only the closet, it'll be the whole entire space here. So if you guys subscribe to my channel, you will follow my journey through this entire project. So feel free to like, comment, and share this video. So that is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope I see you more one day. Goodbye.